Hi there and welcome to the UkeStuff channel and welcome to the tutorial for Be Kind. So in this tutorial we're going to look at the chords that you need to play it on GCEA ukulele and then DGBE baritone ukulele, and then we'll talk about strumming a little bit as well. If you'd like what are normally called tabs or the chord chart for this song, you can find them at ukestuff.info. There will be a link below that will take you to the version that is used in this song. In addition, there are chapters at the bottom of the screen that you can use to fast forward to parts of this video that you want to see, and those chapters are also listed in the description below if you'd like to jump from place to place. Now, because of the difficulty of chords, I'm using different keys for GCEA soprano concert and tenor ukulele and baritone DGBE ukulele. Let's begin with GCEA ukulele, and for this part of the video I'll be using the Smeagol Zero-Code Concert. It's high gloss, rounded back, just a beautiful little instrument. The first chord you'll need is the C major 7. A little different than your normal C. It's with the second finger on the first string, second fret. Then the G chord. Then the D chord, however you want to play it. I normally just leave my first finger where it's at and move the other two fingers around it, making a tiny V shape. It depends on how you want to play it. You can also play it 1, 2, 3. You can try to play it with one finger. You can play it with two fingers. Whatever works best for you. The next chord is the E minor. Just build it off of that same spot that we did the C major 7. So the first finger goes on the second fret of the first string, and the other two fingers go down like a waterfall. And the final chord you'll use is the A minor 7, which is no fingers pressed down on the left hand. And those are the chords you need for GCEA ukulele on this song. All right, let's look at the chords you need for baritone DGBE ukulele. I'll be using my mainland baritone. It has a cedar top and rosewood back and sides. The first chord is the G major 7 chord. Second finger on the first string, second fret. Then your D chord. Then your A chord. Then your B minor chord. And for me, this is always a stretch because I'm so used to playing standard GCEA ukulele. But the B minor, first finger is on the first string, second fret. Second finger is on the second string, third fret. Third finger is on the fourth string, fourth fret. And the pinky is on the third string, fourth fret. And then you have the E minor 7, which has no fingers pressed down at all. And those are the chords you need on baritone DGBE ukulele on this song. Now let's talk strumming for the song. I'll do it with both GCEA and DGBE ukulele. Now on GCEA ukulele, there are a number of ways you can play this, and the first thing I want to tell people again is that there is no right answer. There is no ukulele in the song originally, so as you're playing along with anything that fits. So you may want to just try something like this. If you're new to the whole song and just want to get through it, you could certainly go down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up. So that would be something that I would do. Down, 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 up. That's super simplified, but if you're new to the song and you're new to some of those chords, that might be what works for you. And really, again, it's what works for you and what sounds best to you. Another thing that works for me when I'm playing along with the song is to play a strong downbeat and not the up, but then to play everything else. So it'd sound like this. And there's two sequences of that. So let me show you what that sounds like. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's another option for you. So another thing you could do is you could play a more advanced pattern, something like this. Down, up, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. Now, the last two chords, you'll have to figure out something different, but the first three would sound like this. Down, up, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. And what can you do for the last two chords? Really, whatever works for you. How about down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. And there's really no wrong answer at all, as long as you're changing with the chords and you're staying with the beat and you like what you do. So those are three different things you could do that might work for you and you might want to consider. Now let's just take a look at those same progressions on baritone DGBE ukulele. All right, we're back with the baritone ukulele. The first one was to play down, 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 up, down, 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 up. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the first thing you could do. Down, 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 up. So the second pattern is down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Now, the third pattern was kind of a more difficult suggestion of going down, up, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. All right, let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Would be those same three patterns on baritone ukulele. And again, if you hear something else, play something else. That's okay. There is no right answer with this song. All right, that should be all you need to know to be successful on Be Kind. So thanks for watching the video. I hope you're having a great day, and I will be back soon with some more uke stuff for you.